Hello, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to remove a page from your Facebook Business Manager. To do that, you have to log in your Business Manager account. Inside Business Manager dashboard, you have to click on Wall Tools. From the Manage tab, click on Settings. And from here you have to find the Business Asset options and click. Here it is. You can see all the assets which is connected to your business account are showing here. If you wanted to see only the pages, you can click on the pages option. From here, which page you wanted to delete or remove from your business account, click on that page and click on this three dot icon, and from here remove from business account, click on this option. In this way you can delete your Facebook page from your Business Manager account. You can also delete your ad account or any API which is connected to your Business Manager account. You can delete from here. So that's all about this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.